We brought our ass to Rana Mountain. This is a nice paragliding spot, which I'm about to fly today. Overall, the weather is good enough for a bird wannabe like myself to enjoy the sky. This whole area is preserved as a landing spot, which I never used because shit happens and I land elsewhere. Look at him go.
Сегодня с нами, кстати, собачка. Это наша собачка.
Если кто не понял.
Зовут Блиц.
5 out of 10 landing score.
В полном вооружении, у него есть камера, у него есть сумка.
Let's go to the top.
Но мы уже приближаемся.
Да.
Куда нам?
What the woof are we going to this mountain? I have place to be. Why can't we just go to the park and make a shit?
Зинка нас обогнал чел с палками. Что мы будем делать?
Чего, у меня только одна. Если мы пойдем в путь, он нас забьет, либо две.
Ну, выиграй день.
A bit more of climbing and we will fly like a bee in a field.
Buzz off, I'm doing business here.
И взлетел. Шикарно.
Мы на горе. Сейчас Зинка запустит свою птичку.
Ястреба.
Да. Он купил новый дрон. Скажи всем. Свой первый дрон. Он ранил со скалы. Но это потом мы расскажем, если что. Вот. К нам какая-то собачка пришла. Опа, давай.
Опачки. Алло. The wind is in our favor, so I need to hurry up and get straight to business.
Мы продолжаем чилить с Блицем. Денька одевает свое снаряжение.
Yeah, boy!
Красавчик! Хорошо.
So while you're enjoying the views of the surrounding area for bird view perspectives, I wanted to tell you how fucking good flying is. But on the same time, how easy it is to fuck this shit up and crash into the nearest tree or land on a person.
Посмотрите, кто это в небесах у нас. С Лицулечком будем загорать, да, малыш? Вот он уже лежит, красавчик мой сладкий.
Personally, I think landing on a person is much funnier. It's a win-win situation actually. You get excited and so does he. Also, nothing serious will happen unless the person is fragile like a spaghetti with flu. But I'm planning on returning to the spot, so I rather keep it civilized for just a tiny bit. Not to film these kind of views is a crime, because it's gorgeous. People flying all around the place. Everything is cheeky-dricky. Pure ecstasy. Some people got thermaled the fuck up all the way to God. I don't know where they found such thermals. I will make a turn here. Need to keep the safety rules in the sky. There's more people flying here, so I need to keep my eyes on the sky. This is not a careless game for you. Think you can spread your old underwear and soar into the sky? There's responsibility up here, so see you later. The wind got weak again and everybody is aborting mission. I will try to keep myself close to the mountain, maybe I will catch some wind, but if not, I will be forced to be on my way back to the ground. I like flying low and close to the ground, but one time I got surprised seeing a wind and found myself in a hot affair with a spiked bush on this hill. Well, guess it's time to fly to the landing area.
Вай. Прикольно. Здрасте. Вана, мамаш. Это ты? Ну, идеально, смотри. Вы видео тут разложились, деньку ждать, Денька уже здесь.
The wind has fallen, and with this wind we have fallen too. But it was amazing flying up there and feeling like a bird. It's a marvelous feeling. I'm really happy. I've wind gusted every sweaty spot on myself and I will come here again.
Шикарное интервью. Спасибо вам большое.
No, really, think about it. You go up the hill, sweating, and when you fly, it's all dry. See you on the next video, guys.